This is a very important point, and I hope people reflect on it and recognize the absolute need we have for sound knowledge based on the majority of our scholars. And our Aqidah is well known. There are three acceptable creeds in the tradition of Islam. What's called the Athariya, which is the creed of Imam al-Tahawi, which is a very simple, basic creed. And then there's the creed of the people of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. He is Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, but the majority of people that go under that, who are the followers of Abu Hassan al-Ash'ari, and also Abu Mansur al-Maturidi. And this is the overwhelming majority of scholars of our ummah after the 4th century are in agreement on this. And this was what was taught in Al-Azhar. It was what was taught in the Nizamiyya, it was what was taught in the Zaytuna, it was taught in Al-Qarawiyyin, and all of the colleges of Islam, all of the scholars of India, whether Deoband or the Hanafi scholars of Afghanistan, of Herat, the scholars of Khorasan, all of them were studying the creed of Imam al-Nasafi, well known. It's a well-known creed. And so those people that come and suddenly begin to change what was known for the last 1,000 years, in this enlightened period that we're living in, suddenly we've discovered the true Islam. But for 1,000 years the ummah was in darkness, enveloped in the stupidity of misguided scholars. I mean, that is su'adhan billah. That's a bad opinion of Allah.